What's the number one way to be resilient in life? To where things just bounce off of you. You feel like you're bulletproof. You feel like you can do whatever you want. You feel like you're the president of the United States. You're Donald Trump. Nothing sticks to you. You feel like you're a CEO that can get things done. You don't crumble to criticism. You have a strong body and mind. Well, what's the key to being resilient like that? What's the key to being bulletproof? Overcoming stress, not being affected by it. That's a question I always wondered. Ever since I was a young kid, I was very shy. And so even just being resilient around other people was a huge question. You know, this is something I was wondering as I do my yoga every single day. How do I become more and more resilient? And so I wasn't resilient as a kid. I would get shy, I would get embarrassed, I would get easily agitated. And I was physically resilient. I was healthy as a kid. So I was blessed with that. But I always had heroes that I wondered, how are they so socially resilient? How are they so unstoppable in their energy? How do they have so much drive that you can't stop them? Like Jesus Christ. I saw him and he wasn't affected by what people said about him. You know, he could fast for 40 days. He was just like a powerhouse, continuously healing and uplifting and speaking to all the people, thousands of people. And I wanted to be like that. And it's always been a mystery to me. But especially when I got physically ill. When I got physically ill with bad gut bacteria.